Good morning everyone. Today we will revise Unit 3 of your practice book, that is determiners. Determiners, as I already discussed in my previous video, determiners are words placed before noun or a noun phrase. Determiners determine noun. Okay, so let us revise determiners. Here is a worksheet for practice. We will revise it. If you have not given help box, then you have to write down the determiners according to you. So here are some sentences. We will use determiners here. First one is, how dash money have you got? Now money, how much money have you got? There are dash books on the desk. Books are countable, so you can write here some or many. Both are correct. There are some or there are many books on the desk. I have dash information about him. Information is uncountable. We will use much. I have much information about him. Dash books are very interesting. Now it can be demonstrative. These or those. These books are very interesting, or those books are very interesting. Dash of the time I am not at home. Most of the time I am not at home. Most. Here we will use most. Most of the time I am not at home. It means maximum time I am not available at home. I do dash work than Suresh. Then denotes superlative degree. So we will use superlative degree over here. We can use less work or more work. I do less work than Suresh, or I do more work than Suresh. Which is dash car. This is possessive. Now which is your car or which is her car? Any word you can write here, which is your car. I don't agree dash Palak or Payal. Now I don't agree. It means I don't agree either Palak or Payal. It means Palak and Payal both are considered. Dash student of my class was promoted. Each student of my class was promoted. Each student. Student is singular. It means we are talking about every student of the class. Each or every student of my class was promoted. Dash of the two boy passed the exam. Neither of the two boy passed the exam. Neither of the two boy passed the exam. Neither meant for negativity and either meant for positivity. He was dash the first man to walk on the moon. He was the first man. The, it's an article. He was the first man to walk on the moon. Do you need dash assistant? Again assistant. Article. A, sound of a, vowel sound. An assistant. Do you need an assistant? You know a and the. Articles are also considered in determiners. He is dash richest person of the town. This is a third degree. Richest. Rich, richer, richest. Before this degree we use the. He is the richest person of the town. April has dash days than May. Less. April has less days than May. Because than is here, we will use superlative degree. Less days than May. How dash girls are there in your class? Girls are countable, so how many girls are there in your class? So this is all about your worksheet related to determiners. So you go through it, do practice. If you have any grammar book, do practice of your grammar topic from that book, so that it will be easy for you to understand the concept very well. Thank you.